Hi guys. I didn't have to do that elaborate typing. I just wanted to be dramatic, and it's the first video that I do with you guys with the screen recording, and so I was just trying to have a little bit of fun. But I thought you guys would enjoy that. So today is the launch of my store, Karma's Pieces, and I'm going to take you right to it. We're not going to waste any time. And we are just going to go to karmaspieces.com. Okay, we made it to my store and I'm really excited. karmaspieces.com. Pieces like in world peace, not like in pieces of pie. And I am really excited, guys. It's taken me a while to get this launched and I've worked really hard. And so now you're in my store and I want to take you through my store. And so it's free track shipping on everything. There is no contingency or conditions, no minimum purchase. Also here on the top right is my translation bar. You guys can translate this to these 10 languages. And I mean, I feel like that's a really good feature for people who have a family member or a friend that might need that translation in order to navigate the store a little bit better. Here's my statement, just letting you guys know what to expect from the store. And here, this start shopping button, we're gonna come back to it in a couple of minutes. I just wanna take you guys through my homepage. Here are the top deals of the week. Now for my store, the main theme here, just as the theme in my YouTube channel, just as the theme is in most of my artwork, it is about sustainability. And so this store keeps in line with sustainability and earth friendliness. That does not mean that every single item in this store is sustainable or eco-friendly. It just means that I am striving for that. And so there are going to be some things that you see that are not necessarily environmentally friendly, but there's a purpose, there's a reason why it is in my store. Whether it's supporting learning, supporting health, supporting happiness, a good lifestyle. There's a reason why I put it in the store. But for the most part, I am trying my best to make the store as environmentally friendly as possible. And next thing, you can click on this, enter your email, and I will send you 10% off, a discount code, 10% off for your first purchase. Here are my Coptic Stitch journal notebooks. I promise you, you are not going to find these anywhere. Yes, you will find Coptic Stitch. No, you will not find these, because mine have recycled newspaper and recycled magazines turned into straws and then sewn together to create your cover for the back and the front. And so these are very unique and they are not going to be found anywhere else. That is a bona fide promise. So I've included here some of my YouTube videos showing you guys how I create the totems for it. Here is my statement in solidarity with the Black Lives Matter movement. And I also include here some of the organizations that you can support and that you can share so that we can all start working on making an impact, a real difference. And it's already happening. So I'm so glad that there's so much out there and there's so much more. If you have any other things that you'd like me to include, I can certainly add them onto this list. Just all you have to do is click on this Contact Us, or go all the way to the bottom to the Get in Touch, and you can let me know what you'd like me to add to the list, and I'd be happy to look into it and make sure that it goes in line with what I believe and perceive, and I can definitely add it onto the website. Moving on to the next thing that I'm really excited about, and that is planting trees with Offset Earth. I've partnered with Offset Earth. So it's already set up in my store. For every order that you make with my store, I am planting a tree, and that is at no cost to you. Just whatever order you make from that sale, it's automatically being deducted into Offset Earth. And each order, they will be deducting enough to plant a tree. And you can read more here about that. Also, I've partnered with Carbon Checkout, and at checkout, you will have the opportunity to give a donation. It's typically a couple of cents or maybe up to $1, and that is going to go to Carbon Checkout. And they are involved in climate change and the environment, and you can read more about them here. There are also links. When you click here, you'll see also some links to Offset Earth and Carbon Checkout, so that you can also partner with them in your personal lives and invest in the earth. Your donation with Carbon Checkout does not benefit me monetarily at all. Your donation to them benefits the planet, and that's the goal. So that's the good news. And then here, just a couple of links, social media, you get in touch. Watch Me Create is going to take you right back here to YouTube. And I take all forms of payments, as many as possible anyway. So we're going to scroll right back up to Start Shopping, and you might lose me for a little bit. So we're going to click on Start Shopping. I'll be back. There I am. This is so much fun because I've never done this before. I swear I'm like a kid. I'm going to be doing so many videos like this. So I have created some sections just like I have in my YouTube channel. I really utilize the playlists on YouTube to make it easier for you if you're looking for something specific on my channel, because it is such a variety on this channel. I want to make sure that you guys can go to the playlist, and if you're looking for a specific video, you can find it. I'm doing the same thing on my store. Like I said, this store represents me and is aligned with me. So I'm doing that here. So you've got your art supplies, your storage, learning games. Here, this is the section called Made by Me, all my handmade pieces. Many of which you've already seen on my YouTube videos. They're here. Scrapbooking, journal making, and bookbinding for all of you experts and novices who are creating scrapbooks and books and journals. I am trying to curate a nice section for you guys. I'm still developing it, but I know what it takes and I know what you need. So I'm trying to get as many things as possible, but I'm trying to find things that can go in line with the environment and all of that. So I'm really looking into different things like that. These are sewing supplies. All of my fabrics are 100% cotton. I am working on getting some organic cotton. I'm looking at hemp, and I'm looking at organic silk cotton and that kind of thing, so that we can get a nice variety for you in that area. There's some vintage supplies and gifts, wedding, and wooden dollhouse kits. Now I'm excited about the wedding and the wooden dollhouse kits. Wedding because even though it's kind of a little far-fetched for this channel, I don't really talk about weddings on this channel, and on the store, it's obviously not a wedding shop, but it is a gift shop. However, on my Pinterest for many years, I have had, and I'm going to put a link below for my Pinterest so you guys can peruse, and you can see I have the section called vestidos, and vestidos are dresses in Spanish. And in that section, which I've been adding on dresses for years, I have probably more wedding dresses than anything else. And I wanted to bring that to the store, but I am trying to I am still trying to find a supplier for wedding dresses so that I can provide dresses that are organic, eco-friendly, sustainable. I really don't want to give polyester. Polyester is really, really bad for the environment. And so I don't want anything with polyester or any of those other synthetic fabrics that destroy the planet. So I'm working really hard to find someone that is good enough for you guys. And then the wooden dollhouse kits, I'm really excited about as well, because I'm just going to click on wooden dollhouse kits. I'm excited because what I plan to do is do step-by-step videos showing you guys how to put everything together. And I've seen so many amazing miniaturists already doing this. And I think it's great because if I'm offering it on the store, I want you guys to see it in person, and I want you to see the quality of everything. And also, because this channel is all about tutorials, I also want to give you guys some step-by-step tutorials to actually have fun and do this. So kind of take the hard part out of it and make it more fun for you, and show you different cool ways of making the dollhouse your own, throwing a little bit of your own flair into it, and that kind of thing. So I'm gonna go back home here, and I'm gonna be curating a little section in my catalog, something for men, something for women, something for kids. And I hope that it could be just a quick little one-stop shop for all your different needs. And so stick with me. This is just the beginning. So yeah, share this karmaspieces.com link. Share it. It should be in the description. And you can share it on Facebook, Instagram. I also want to do an Instagram shop, and so that's coming as well. And all of these things in the store will also be going into my Facebook shop. So a lot of work on the back end, but hopefully it's something that can benefit you and me. And I also like the idea of inspiring people to create a more sustainable home. It may not all be sustainable, and that's okay. But I feel like one step in the right direction is a big, big thing. And that's what we need. But anyway, enough of that. Visit the store. It's open today. I'm really excited. Today is the launch. It's June 26th. You guys have been amazing. Thank you for sharing your time with me and your attention. Please like, subscribe, comment, share Karma's Pieces on your social media platforms. So, peace.